who it is alleged would have stabbed two minors, a 1-year-old child, male child by the name of Amir Saunders, and a 3-year-old male child by the name of Shamir Henry.
Yeah, I don't care about the circumstances. I don't care how he got here. I don't care if he was intoxicated by ganja or ganja tea. I do not care. This dude needs to be locked away for life. Simple. I don't care if he was a good youth from he was 1 to he was 50. He needs to be locked away for life. I don't want to hear no excuse. I don't want to hear how he was working at the hotel and he was doing well. I do not want to hear it. He took the life of a 1 and a 3-year old. He needs to be locked away. Plain and simple. I really don't care. I do not care. I'm tired of people trying to find excuses for people who are doing horrible things. Lock him away. Plain and simple.